Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn how to apply Shopify affiliate program. So guys, this is very simple process. Everyone can do it very easily. So don't waste your time and let's get start the video. First we tap on Chrome browser and search Shopify and tap on Shopify account, and I am open my desktop site, and you can see tap on login in and scroll down and tap on affiliate program and apply now, and enter your name, last name, email, username, password, and all everything your information. Then after fill up, your account will create and you can easily earn money from Shopify. And I hope you like the video and this video is helpful for you. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like the video and leave the comment in below, and don't forget to press bell icon. And thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.